I finally took the step to improve the dust collection in my wood shop. And like many woodworkers, this includes a trip to Harbor Freight to buy the 2 horsepower central machinery dust collection system. You'll find many videos about upgrading the impeller, and the question comes to what is the efficiency of doing this? There's a YouTuber named Matthias Wendell that did a video on blower impeller design experiments, and he compares the efficiency of changing this design specifically. I'll include a link to this YouTube in the notes, but his conclusion was that it is an improvement. The first step that I ran into that was a problem was pulling the old impeller. The flanges at the end of the puller were too long, and it would just strip right off the lip on the impeller, and I made no progress. It was very frustrating. After a suggestion from my brother-in-law Ken, I cut down the length of the ends of the flanges on the puller to decrease the moment that it applies to the arm, and I also added a socket to the threads so that I could expand the length of the threads. He also recommended hitting the end of the screw with a hammer to help encourage the impeller to move off the shaft. So with these suggestions and a very cheap $12 puller from the local hardware store, I was able to replace the impeller on the motor. I was very happy about that. And then before replacing the cover, I cut out the old 5-inch hole and inserted a 6-inch flange to get the full benefit of what the impeller can pull.